here in a flyover which is outside the city, but there are so many flyovers inside the city also. And what happens there inside the city, because inside the city there is a good number of traffic, and we often get stuck in those heavily traffic conditions. And what happens to us that sometimes we need to brake, or we need to hold during climbing some hills, or like while crossing the rail lines or some other things. So what happens, sometimes we need to hold our car midway, but when we hold our car midway, we have a long line of vehicles standing beside us. But at times what happens that when we begin to move forward after holding for sometimes for a minute or half a minute or more than that, but in that condition what happens that our car slides backward and then moves forward. So in that condition what happens, our car may collide with the so how do we hold our car in its position while climbing uphill? We can simply engage the handbrake here and then start moving forward. What will happen then? The car will not move backward. As you know, the handbrake holds the car, but even if the handbrake is engaged, we can go forward, but we cannot move backward. If we try to reverse the car while the handbrake is engaged, it does not move. So it helps in those conditions. So let's see the video. So friends, see this. When we stop and then when we try to move forward, the car first slides back, and then as the gear is engaged and it moves forward. And in this case, see this, we are going to stop here. Yes, we have stopped and neutral, and here we will try to go move forward, but you see that the car has already slid back and then it moves forward. And here we are going forward and then we will stop, but this time we will hold the car by pulling the handbrake, and then we will now try to move forward. And you see the railing, the car is not moving. As soon as the car starts moving, release the handbrake. So dear friends, this much in this video, and please to subscribe the channel if you have liked it.